Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe is ground beef with capsicum or bell peppers. Ingredients are given above and it's also in the description box. Let's start with the cutting of bell peppers or capsicum. We are going to cut this bell pepper into small pieces, small cubes. First of all, remove the stems with all the seeds and then cut them into small pieces. Let's start cooking. Take oil in a pan. About half cup of oil is enough. Let it hot on a medium flame. When it gets little hot, add chopped onions, half cup, and let it heat until they get translucent. When the onion changes their color, golden yellow color, now it's time to add ginger garlic paste or chopped ginger garlic, about 2 tablespoons, and let it cook on this medium flame. Keep stirring, otherwise they will get burnt. Now it's time to add salt, 1 teaspoon or to taste. If you like more, you can add more or less. Now add other spices like red pepper, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Now mix all the ingredients in this oil and make masala. Give it a stir for about 1 minute until bubbles starts. Add your mince. I am using beef mince. You can add any kind of mince like chicken mince or mutton mince too. Only difference will be the time of cooking. Beef mince will take more time and mutton mince will take less time, and chicken mince will take more less. Now mix all the ingredients and cover this pan to cook for about 20 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. After 20 minutes, remove the lid. The mince is half cooked. Now add your tomatoes. I cut the tomatoes into half. I will remove their peels. When the tomatoes get softened, add half cup of freshly chopped coriander and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar. Now cover the pan and let the mince cook for about 20 minutes on low flame. After 20 minutes, remove the peels from tomatoes. This is the easiest way of removing peels from tomatoes. After removing all the peels, mix these tomatoes in the mince. Now add capsicum into this mince and mix. It's time to add red chilli flakes and water. Let it cook for 10 minutes and add fresh coriander for garnishing. Serve hot with naan or roti.